to University of Cambridge. Nampak kerja gila sebab jalan tinggalkan. What is that? Is that a library? No. My jacket in the auditorium. So I'm kind of freezing right now. Nak ambil kunci. I'm going to the room. It's block Q. It's cute. That's all. Cute. This is it. Look at that. Ada nama orang eh. Poland Conference. It's number 5. Let's have a room. Wow, it's a twin suite. Wow. Zoom in. Jangan wari besar kan. You know where it is. Tada! Bilik air. This side. Almari. Oh.